Hello, this is the first video on this channel. This channel is going to be about IT for consumers, so that basically means Office, other applications, a bit of hardware and how to use them. Focus is mainly how to use them. So if you want to follow along with Office, you need Office, and there is a way to get Office for free. How do you do that? First of all, you go to office.com. and you're gonna go to sign in. So not get Office, but sign in. There you create an account. After you get your account, after you filled in all your details, you should be logged in like this, and you can see all the application you're getting. These are all the applications you get for free. You even get an email. Well, you get a lot. How these applications work, I'm going to show in other videos, but let's go, well, basically through them. Excel, you know. Excel is your basic spreadsheet, and if you want to go to, let's say, Outlook, it's going to load up your Outlook with your email. Do I have an email? Yes, I do have an email. Nice. You can go to Word, create your own flyers, get premium templates, get your blank documents to get started, PowerPoint, To-Do, Skype, all the apps basically. Let's get a view of them. Outlook, OneDrive for storage, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To-Do, Calendar, Skype. What more do we get? We get Sway. It's going to be interesting. This one is going to be interesting. OneNote, of course. Skype if you want to call your friends. And that's basically what's included in the free version of Office. On some levels, it's not as full of features as the full Office 2019 or 365, but hey, it's for free and you can do everything I'm going to show you in the free version of Office. So for now, that's going to be it from me. I'm going to start work on the next video. And please like it, subscribe it, and let's go from here. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started on the next video, Excel. Thank you.